YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's Skylar Alexis and I'm coming to you with another video. Today is going to be a Valentine's Day look and giveaway, so make sure you tune into the end of this video to listen to the rules for our giveaway. I've teamed up with TT Marie and the Good Girl Gone Fab, and we're going to be giving to you a giveaway, so you don't want to miss this. It's a big one. It's going to be a Fashion Nova gift card and a palette, and who doesn't want new clothes and who doesn't want new makeup? So you guys definitely want to make sure you enter into this. Make sure you listen to the end of the video for the rules of this video, and without further ado, if you want to see how I got this cute look, just keep on watching. So we're going to get started. I'm going to use a transition shade in my Jaclyn palette. I'm going to use the color Silk Cream. Use that, and I'm going in first with my BH Cosmetic #1 brush. So I'm about to just take that and fluff that in my crease. I just need a nice neutral. I don't want it to be like too brown. I don't want it to be too warm for this. So this is like a perfect in the middle shade. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. Now we're uncomfortably close. Look at that brow. Hey brow. So I'm just gonna be blending that in. I'm doing all the way right here, all the way out. I want it even, inner, as dark on the inside as dark on the outside. So probably can't even see it right now, but now I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. I don't know how to say it. Not gonna try it. Not gonna embarrass myself. So taking that shade right there. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking, this is my favorite brush. This is my Morphe E15. You see how it's like fluffy like this on the end. This isn't the color, this is the color of the brush, but it's fluffy like this on the end. So I'm gonna be taking that, and I'm taking a little bit of Love Letter, which is this pretty pink right here. Dabbing the Love Letter. And like once most of it's like directly in my crease, I'm just gonna drag it up higher. So it blends. So I'm taking this, what is this, a Wet n Wild, I think this is a shader or a concealer, I don't know, it's like a really small brush. And the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I like to cut my crease with this concealer because it dries fast and it's matte. So, and I want both of those, and it's thin, it's not like thick, and when you cut your crease you don't want nothing like super thick. So I'm about taking that much on the back of my hand, and we're gonna cut our crease now. And it also helps, like if you're cutting your crease, like to hold your mirror like down here so you can like see the socket. Like you see, like this is where my crease is. I'm gonna take it like a little bit above that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start right here, and I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye, but like above it. Now I'm gonna go do the other eye. I'll be back. Okay, so both of our creases are cut. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna put that on the edge right here. Like, and soften that up so it doesn't look like it just abruptly stopped. A nice smooth gradient here. Does everybody have a bad eye? Like, I know that sounds weird, but I have a bad eye. Like, this is my bad eye. And I don't know. Be trying to get better. Like, this eye, I'd be like, woof, you know. You can tell everything, like, my eyebrow look better on this side. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I feel like I just gotta work harder on this side. I'm taking this color right here, and we're gonna put that on our lid. So pretty. After I get the color on, I like to tap it on because I feel like it like makes it look better. I don't know why, but like tapping it, like you see. And I'm just kind of wiggling my brush on this edge, and then we're going to go back with that pink again. And I'm not going to put anything extra. I'm just going to use what's already here and do that. So I'm taking, this is the NYX Liquid Crystal in the shade, I don't know, it's gold. Crystal gold. So I'm going to put this right there where the cut crease is for some more drama. Old Faithful Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Okay, so I put some mascara and some lashes on, and I think we're looking, I really like this so far. It's so cute. So, alright, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face because it's the same, and I'll be back. Alright, so this is the final look. It turned out super good. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, it's super good. I love it. It looks so much better now that I did it a second time. So if you have made it this point in the video, you are ready to hear the instructions for the giveaway. So let me pull my phone out so I can read them to you. Okay, so we're going to be giving away, I have teamed up with two other beauty bloggers, name is Simone and Tiara, and so we're doing a big Valentine's Day giveaway. So the first rule is like this video, so go ahead and like this video. The next thing is to comment STSV Day. That's going to be the hashtag that you comment underneath this video. So comment STSV Day. And so the third thing you're gonna need to do is subscribe to our channels. If you already subscribed to me, then you're already halfway there. So make sure you guys go subscribe to Simone and Tiara. And the other thing is you have to follow all three of us on Instagram. So like this video, comment the hashtag, subscribe to all three of us, and follow all three of us on Instagram. The winner will be receiving a palette of my choosing, and they'll be receiving a $50 Fashion Nova gift card. So you don't want to miss this. The giveaway is going to be over on Valentine's Day. The winner will be announced the day after Valentine's Day. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I had a lot of fun creating this look for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the end of this video. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Make sure you enter in the giveaway. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane.